A man in Sauk County who feels he was once part of the problem is now part of a solution.
His group's goal to end a crisis that health leaders in Sauk County fear is another pandemic. Madeline O'Neill tells us about the up-and-coming program aiming to bring down spiking overdose numbers. Maddie.
Right. Well, Sauk County health officials say the number of drug overdoses was already really high compared to their population. That's before it nearly doubled in 2020. They say people are falling through the cracks, and a new program provides a net. Addiction is a lonely road already. COVID-19 only drove friends and family farther apart.
Isolation, loneliness, people not being able to work and meet their needs. Those are huge triggering factors.
Baraboo paramedic Nico Olenschlager never gets used to helping people through an overdose, especially when they don't make it through.
Patients' families stick out the most. It's a profound feeling of helplessness that's palpable.
Drug overdose deaths in Sauk County rose from 13 in 2019 to 21 last year. Even those who survive often end up going down the same path again.
It's really frustrating because we don't know the people that are being treated by EMS and then being released out there into the night.
Ryan Ramirez is a peer recovery coach, leading people through the often overwhelming recovery landscape by reflecting on his own experience.
To be real honest, at one time, I used to be part of the problem in Sauk County.
He spent 14 years in prison for drug conspiracy.
It drove me and made me want to be part of the solution.
Now part of that solution is Hope, which pairs up coaches like Ramirez with EMS responders like Olenschlager, who has gone back to patients he saved in the days after an overdose.
Typically in my work, we don't see the other end.
Absolutely.
Founder Peter Brunzell says Hope partners with agencies across Wisconsin.
It's both heartbreaking and a blessing. It's too often that we lose people, especially now.
COVID broke a lot of personal connections, and he wants to make those stronger.
The more that we can shift that culture towards helping and reaching out instead of looking away, the more people are going to be able to get connected.
Part of my job is being a resource broker.
While Ramirez can offer resources, he can't make people go down that road, but he can walk with them every step of the way.
The heart of peer support is walking with somebody on their journey.
Now, Hope is just getting started in Sauk County, but they've already had quite a few referrals in just the past month or so. And it doesn't have to come down to an overdose. They welcome hearing from people who are struggling to break an addiction, as well as friends and family. They've set up a hotline and a website, putting resources all in one place. We will get that information up on our website, channel3000.com.